one of the new benefits that's kind of terrific as well that your company is doing this year is all employees are going to be enrolled in the basic life and AD&D plan, and the company's paying again 100% of the cost on your behalf. What that does mean, however, is that we'll need everyone to fill out a beneficiary when they go through their online enrollment, because God forbid something happens, we need to know which loved one you want to get the money. If you want to split that up between more than one person, you're free to do so. All right. But please do remember, if you're in the process of getting married, if someone's going through a divorce, please remember you need to update your beneficiary designation when you have those life-changing events, right? Because we need to ensure that that money's paid out correctly as you wanted.
Well, yes.
How does that get, Chuck, how does that get updated once I complete this open enrollment process? And let's say 2 or 3 months from now, I have something has changed, or I need to change the beneficiary. How do I do that?
So remember, even though open enrollment has changed, you can update your address, you can add dependents, you can update your beneficiary 24/7. So the portal is still there and available for all the employees all year round. We just won't allow them to go in and make changes to the benefits without your approval. So if someone does have what we call a qualifying event, they've lost coverage elsewhere for a spouse, they need to add them to the plan through the temple, we can actually help them with that process. But to be frank with you, that's with the approval of you as the administrator.
Okay, but I can change my beneficiary. I can change my address anytime I want to. I can go into the portal and do that.
Correct. So that's how we make sure that our information stays as up to date as we can.
Okay.
Yeah, because if
You'll see under the basic plan from the temple, everyone's covered for a $25,000 benefit. However, there is a reduction in that benefit once you turn 65 and 70. I apologize, Jonathan, did I cut you off?
No, all I was going to say was, it's always good to make sure that you update the beneficiary if you have a new spouse, because that other spouse is gone now. You don't want the money to go to the wrong person. So it sounds like kind of a joke, but it really isn't, because there's nothing more frustrating when you're going through this. And because the documents are set up that way, that's exactly it's going to get paid to.
So unfortunately, from time to time, we try to make light of it, but it's very important. Someone will have a life-changing event and they don't notify us and they don't update their information in the portal. And please do remember, because this is a contract, a written document, the insurance company is going to do precisely as you indicate, right? We can't do anything verbally. It's not with a phone call. We need everything to be done properly and to be documented so that it can be done precisely the way you want. We're not able to change this money and who, where it's going out to, even if a mistake is made.